Hello, how are you doing? Today's video I'm showing you my project pan. Low buy, no buy. I haven't bought anything, so thumbs up for that. Although I've seen new stuff for fair skin, uh, so I have no idea. First of all, this foundation is in the project pan. I will rotate a foundation each month. I will post all the times that I wear this foundation. Today I'm wearing it. Actually, I haven't done my makeup February not often, so probably this foundation is kind of a tiny bit, I have no idea. I don't have any way to measure it. I will be using this foundation. I just mark it, it's right there. So this is my March foundation. I will leave the sheet of the eyes, the lips. I still didn't use any of those, but this has some stuff going on. So I will take a picture and yeah. The other thing is I will post a picture where you can see the advance of this stuff. I don't remember, but I will post a picture. I used a tiny bit of this one, and part of the, I have no idea, part of the print is kind of rub off a tiny bit, so, but not much. I haven't used it in a long time. This lipstick is about to be nearly empty, so it's not empty, completely empty, but every single time that I do my makeup I use this in particular, and this is nearly empty too, so probably next month I will have these two maybe out of my stash. I have a backup of this one. This is the phone, so this is an shade phone, so I will try to scrub the makeup and everything, because I said low buy, no buy. I need to use all what I can. March I start also attending courses, so makeup, actually I'm filming this on February. I'm filming this on March 6th, so next week I will start attending courses, so I will be wearing a tiny bit more makeup. This time I don't have any gonna, so there is nothing that will be out of my collection. As this is your first time that you watching this, I have my whole collection in the project pan. I will leave you with the eye look. If you want to know how I created this, if you want to wear it for some Halloween, some costume party or something, maybe it will be inspiring you to use some of these colors. Let me comment down below. And I wanted to pair it with blue because I was like, why not? Thank you a lot for watching, and the eye look tutorial. Well, this is how I created this eye look. I used these three eyeshadow palettes. First of all, I'm going to use this palette, this shade. I will add a tiny bit of this red. I will add a tiny bit of this shade here. Now this palette, the Electric Violet, this shade, I will apply it in the outer part and a tiny bit in the crease. As I want to have that foil effect, all the shades that I will use from these two shadow palettes, I will wet them so you can have more of the metallic foil result. I will grab this first shade and I will mix it with the red so I can blend the edge of that shade. What I also do is with the same purple, I blend the edge too, so I don't lose that purple or this violet. This eyeshadow palette, I will use this shade. Now I'm grabbing this shade, also wet. With the brushes, I will be smoothing the edges so they are not too noticeable when the one starts and the other stops. So the two ones that I used were this one. That is the brush that I applied the orange. And also with the light turquoise. Sometimes you need to reinforce one of the shades. I get it a little bit out of here. I will fix it. A little bit of camera. I'll just put a tiny bit of this thing, and that's it. Just a tiny bit. And now with the purple. Well, now what I'm going to do is I will pick this black and I will apply it right there, and a tiny bit in onto that purple. I'm gonna grab this shade and I will apply it wet, because if I apply it dry it's a topper, so wetting it I will create some sort of a base, and I will apply it right there and blend it a tiny bit with this turquoise, this. And right